Okay, so here's the software that, or firmware that sort of works, or I thought it worked. I mean, all the controls seem to be working. I can raise the Z. I can move it left. I can move it right. I can move the table back and forth. I guess it goes past its limits, but yeah. Now homing X works. Homing Y works. Homing Z works. And then G28 homes all X is fine. G29 starts probing. Probes fine. And after it's done probing, it should know where the table is. But when I start the print, I just click start print, and when the temperatures get right, which they are, it should start probing again. At the beginning of every print, it probes. So let's wait a couple seconds. That's where the popcorn comes in handy. Okay, now it just did the G28. Now it's probing G29, which is at the beginning of every print. And watch what happens after it's done probing. It goes nuts. That's all I can say. So check it out. I'm keeping my finger ready on the emergency stop because I don't want to damage my printer too badly. But this is what happens. Instead of going to the middle of the table or whatever it wants to print, it goes down on Z, like under the table, and then tries to go towards the center spot. So I'm not sure what that problem is, but this is what it's doing on that old firmware that I found that I thought it worked.